Miss Kichi stood in her modern office. "I can speak 3 languages," she boasted, right before she accidentally bumped her experimental shrinking ray. Zap! Suddenly, the room loomed large. "Now I can see the dust bunnies under the sofa," she exclaimed. In the present, we use can for general abilities, and am, is, are able to for more formal contexts. Miss Casey looked up at the towering desk. "When I was tall, I could reach the keyboard easily," she sighed. Could describes a general ability in the past. However, after 3 attempts today, she finally grabbed a hanging power cord. "I was able to climb the cable," she cheered. Use was able to or managed to for a specific success in the past, not could. The climb was exhausting. "I couldn't find my footing at first," she noted. Interestingly, while could is limited for specific past successes, couldn't is versatile. Miss Kichi couldn't reach the top on her first try, and she couldn't run fast enough to avoid a rolling pen. Both general and specific past failures use couldn't. After navigating a forest of carpet fibers, Miss Casey reached the computer mouse. "I managed to click the button," she shouted. We use manage to when we want to emphasize that something was difficult to achieve. It suggests effort and overcoming an obstacle, which is perfect for a 6-inch tall professor in a giant room. Miss Casey looked at the monitor. "If I change the settings, I will be able to reverse the ray," she thought. While we often use can for future arrangements, will be able to is the standard way to talk about a skill or ability someone will gain in the future. "I will be able to walk through the door once I am big again." The machine hummed. "I succeeded in recalibrating the beam," Miss Casey noted. Remember that succeed is followed by the preposition in and a gerund, verb plus ing. It is more formal than manage to, but carries the same sense of achieving a goal after effort. She had succeeded in finding a solution. As the ray warmed up, Miss Casey pondered. Anyone can make a mistake with science, she realized. This can describes a theoretical possibility. However, only someone with my knowledge could fix it. Here, could suggests a conditional or less certain ability. Understanding these nuances makes your English much more precise. With a final pop, Miss Casey was back to her normal size. "I can finally reach my coffee," she laughed. She was able to survive the adventure, managed to fix the machine, and succeeded in teaching us about ability. Whether it is can, could, or manage to, you now have the tools to talk about what you are able to do.